After many days of struggle, after many nights of worry, I got the parts. Just got these in the mail, and thanks to Amazon, they're undamaged, and both of them are here. Before anything else, sorry for the way the camera's positioned. It was supposed to be a short, but it came out too long, so now it's a video. You're gonna need to transfer the bearings from your old steer knuckles to the new ones. And like I said a long time ago, the toe angle is actually more in than the old ones. But if you just raise the screw up a little, I will get a nut eventually, but if you raise the screw up a little, it's not that bad. Now they're installed, and that toe angle is actually kind of a bit much, but there's not much I can do since I screwed up the screw heads all the way up, and that's the way you're supposed to fix it. But I'll figure out another way. I'm gonna drift it, but not with the fancy body. I'm gonna use this little wood one I made. This one. Once I get good at this one, I'll put the fancy one on, and I'll make a montage. So I went and I drifted, or actually spun out a bunch because it is rear-wheel drive now. So like I said, it's gonna be harder. I'm probably gonna have to buy like a small gyro and a new E.S.A.P to get it to actual driftability. But yeah, I'm glad that I got these wheels on. I will find a way to make those straighten out. I fixed the towing problem by getting a rubber band and running it from one side to the other, hanging it around the back diff cover. And there will be a new video on the body coming out soon. I'm just missing a crucial part until I make the video, so sorry for that delay. But thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.